our room isn't ready yet, so we are here at the waiting lounge of the hotel with my driver over there. Hello guys! So we just arrived here at Anantara Vacation Club. Ito po yung aming accommodation for 3 days and 2 nights. It is a 2-bedroom villa here. And we have our own swimming pool. And this is my wristband. Anantara Hotel. So this is Orvan's room over there. So let me tour you around. This is the swimming pool right there. And we have here this one. And my shoes. So later po pasya na natin yan siya. Amenities, but for now, let me tour you around the room. So here, ayan yung kanyang ceiling. Ayan. Hindi po ako masyadong magaling mag-vlog, but I will try. That's why we are here, to vlog the room. So ayan po siya. Here. Ay. Marvin! The bags are... The kuya is here bringing our bags. Our maleta pala. So, there you go. This is the kitchen. And this is the... toilet ni Orphan. So let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchenette over here. I don't know what's inside, so let's check it out. Oh, the fridge. Ayan yung fridge niya. Let me check po kung anong meron. Too big. Too big. So, wala nang iba. Too big. And what's in here? Ouch. Wala. Siyempre, we have coffee, isang gatas, coffee maker, kutsara, cuchillo. And what's under? Placemat. Of course. Yan, kompleto siya. Meron ng dish rack, induction cooker yan. Induction cooker. Ito kompleto. May rice cooker, may pot. Kompleto siya. Then we have our own microwave, glasses. Another plate and meeting. This one is wow. I have two washing machines, so I don't know which one is working because they have so yeah, this one and the other one down here. So makakalaba tayo guys. Makakalaba tayo. Ito yung kanilang long table. Ganda niya. So, I love the color. Grabe, ang ganda. This is our room. This is our room. My husband and I will be sleeping here. Yan, sobrang ganda. Yan siya. Tapos, outside is... Wait. Outside is our swimming pool. So, we have our private pool. Ayan, over there. Post ko na to diretso sa YouTube ko. Wala nang edit-edit. Malalagyan ko lang siya ng konting music. Arven? Arven? And this is Arven's bathroom. Ayan siya. Hello, toilet. Ayan siya, guys. So, meron pa rin siyang tubig dito. Toothpaste and lahat ng kailangan siya. Ganda. And he has got his own shower room. So this is it. This is it, guys. So eto siya. Yan, maganda. Highly recommended. Arven! And there is my son, feeling rich. So what you've got here, you've got TV, and wow, it's also extra pillow and slippers. Oh, you have slippers eh. Oh. We just one, anak, use one, ha? So it's got pillow and nothing in there. Check what's the other one. Then, so basically, say hi. And let's check the boss. Hello, boss. Didi, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Yun ang sabi niya. Hi. So let's check the master's bathroom, guys. There you go. Ouch. Slide pala, slide. So, this is the master's bathroom. Merong first aid kit. Yan. Then, slippers. And, ito. And, the best thing is you have this. You can use it when you go to the beach. So, I can partner that with my, with my attire. The same thing.